Hey, this is Carlito, and you're watching Wrestling Revolution with Keaton. And that's cool.
Welcome, wrestling fans. It is Wrestling Revolution coming to you from the Lone Rugby Club for the NXT Juniors Heavyweight Championship. In this match is the professional John McCann. Here comes John's opponent, the king of the Canary flock, the Canary Kid.
Everyone, say it with me! D-I-R-D, GIRD!
The crowd were so pumped up for this one, the battle of two former friends.
The challenger, representing NXT, ladies and gentlemen, the Canary Kid. Also a challenger, representing NXT, ladies and gentlemen, the professional John McCann.
The crowd were making it extremely clear who they wanted to win, and it wasn't John McCann. These two have came through the NXG Wrestling School. Now they have been given the opportunity to fight for the highest honour, the NXG Junior Heavyweight Championship. They start off the match with a gentleman's handshake. The first lockup. Surely, John is too strong for the Canary Kid, but the Canary Kid is still fighting back. A drag by the Canary Kid. And taking control of this match. Can John get back up? John's getting back up and he reverses it. Does the exact same thing on the Canary Kid. These two are so equally matched. They came through the ranks together and they know each other so well. Canary keeps the pressure on John's wrist. John, so athletic, he stands up. Just like that, and he takes down the Canary Kid. Go on, Canary. John McCann's not the only one who's got pure athleticism. John McCann takes down the Canary Kid with the head scissor lock to try to get Canary to tap. No way Canary's going to tap. He's the defending champion. Canary gets up. And yes! He heads knocked John McCann and John McCann is knocked down. It's time for a bit of technical grappling. Who will come out on top at this venture? Dropkick by John. After a lot of dodges and waves by the Canary Kid, he falls to the dropkick. And the monkey flip by the Canary Kid, and John stands. And John with a big elbow to knock down the Canary Kid. Canary kicks out of the first attempted pin. John hits Canary with a wicked knee to the face. John goes in for the cover. 1, 2, and Canary kicks out at 2. It will take more than that to keep the bird on the ground. John has stepped it up here. His ruthless aggression is helping him take control of the match. And a vicious kick to the temple by John has the Canary Kid seeing stars. Yes, the Canary has kicked out again. It will take more than that to keep the leader of the bird flock down. A crossing clothesline on the Canary. He's taking such a beating here. Well, he fight back. There's still a little bit of fight left in Canary. What a fabulous crossbody. Not this time, Canary. John uses his powerful strength and tosses Canary like a Highland caber. There's just no keeping the Canary Kid down. John takes Canary Kid to Suplex City. Canary's back must be in agony. Another suplex, but with the spirit of the fans and the spirit of the bird flock and his people. We can do this, and the Canary Kid will keep getting back up. Hear the sound of the sweet chin music calling us. The Canary Kid takes flight over the top rope to topple the professional. The momentum has definitely swung here. The Canary Kid is pumped. What a pop he is getting from the fans. This is turning into a slugfest. They're going punch for punch. With the Canary distracted from the crowd, the professional hits him with a sneaky kick. Ah! Canary! Ah! John does a steamroller. Ah! Stands up! This is it. This has gotta be it. No matter what. 1, 2, and the kick out. What a match we are witnessing, fans! John can't believe this. What is he gotta do to take the Canary Kid down? If you're in John's head, what would you be thinking? With a number of counters, Canary has taken down John McCann. John McCann in the style of Sami Zayn, Blue Thunder Bombs, the Canary Kid, 1, 2, and the kick out. What have I just witnessed? A missed backflip and a double clothesline! Have I ever seen the like of this in my life? This is what you get for NXT! A knockout, knee to the face, sets up Canary Kid for his finisher. John stands up from the birdie monkey flip. How did he stand up? I've never seen the like of that in my life. Lariat by John. 1, 2, 3, and John has won the championship. We have to give it to John there, but no disrespect for the Canary Kid as he put on war. John is our new champion. Well done, John, and well done to both competitors. What a match! That goes down as the best match in NXT wrestling history.
This man deserves it so much! Yeah, we may look at Fred tonight, but I'll admit, he can be an asshole sometimes. And I think an average asshole will let me know shit day, but he annoys me so much. I actually despise him sometimes, but it's hard. Because John, you're like a brother to me, bro. You're the reason I'm here. I came in to an NXT show this time 2 years ago and saw this man compete. And I realized he's just a number. I can do what he can do.
Yes, you can! 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 Yes, you can!
So I mean this. I may not look this But I'll tell you this, just like today, and just like every other day, we're not going to war! We are going to war! So, have a good Jonas moment. Thank you all, and give it up for your new undisputed junior heavyweight champion of the world!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hopefully, I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.